بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. How are you, my students? I hope that you're happy and healthy and ready for today's lesson, which is the beginning of the last unit, Unit 4, the listen and discuss part. So this is the Unit 4 here, TV around the world. So you know from the title of this unit that we'll be focusing on media, the TV, and around the world. So this is the part of this unit, the vocabulary. We'll be talking about TV genres and the reality shows, the functions here, discuss types of TV programs, express and explain preferences, express certainty. The grammar will be talking about direct and indirect objects, to and for, before indirect objects. The listening will be listening for specific information. The pronunciation will be talking about the reduction of going to and want to. The reading part, it will be about a brief overview of the history of television, the writing, write a book review, and lastly, the for meaning function. We'll be talking about articles, adjectives, clauses, and relative pronouns. So you can notice here the theme of this unit. It revolves around the TV programs, TV shows, etc. So this is today's objectives. List TV programs that you like or dislike. Construct a family TV program. Determine the types of TV programs. Complete the sentences with the new words. Find the meaning of new words. Match the program with its description. So let's begin today's lesson. We have a few questions here. What kind of television programs do you like to watch? Give some examples. Of course, we all have our preferences for TV programs. We like to sit and grab the remote here and maybe eat some popcorn and enjoy our TV shows. So this question is asking you, what kind of television programs do you like to watch? Give some examples. The second one, what kind of programs do you dislike and why? So what TV programs do you like? Do you like the documentaries? Do you like drama TV series or maybe comedies? What genres do you like about the TV series? Do you like movies maybe? So the TV is full of different programs with variety of genres. So you can tell your preference and compare your answer with your friend and see which one of you is correct. And give some examples. And also, what kind of programs do you dislike and why? What kind of programs do you dislike and why? Maybe you find, for example, some documentaries are boring because they're talking about I think that you're not interested in. Maybe some dramas are boring for you, some soap operas, etc. What do you dislike and why? You have to give a reason. The third, which programs listed here would you watch? Which wouldn't you watch? And explain. So we'll be talking about some programs here. You can tell us later which one would you like to watch and which one wouldn't you watch, and you will, of course, explain. So skim read the description of the TV programs and answer the questions. So now I want you to open your book and skim read the articles we have. Skim reading means to read quickly just to get the main idea of the article. Then come back and we will both answer these questions. So you can pause the video now and open your book and just read quickly. It's called skim reading, to read quickly just to get the main idea, the general idea of the article, and we will be answering some questions. So now coming back to the questions after you have read, which program is about cars? Which program is about cars? So you read about maybe 5 or 6 programs. Which one of them is talking about cars? Yes, it's Top Gear. It's Top Gear. Actually, this is one of my favorite programs because I'm interested in cars. Which program is a documentary? Which one is a documentary? Yes, that's correct. The National Geographic videos and shows. We all know the National Geographic channel and videos and shows. They talk about the planet, some nature programs, and some different cultures from different worlds we have in this channel. Which program is a quiz show? If you prefer to watch a quiz show, I enjoy the people asking some questioning and having some laughs. So which program is a quiz show? Quiz show, it means a show asking questions like a quiz. And then the contestants win some prizes, of course. So which one is a quiz show? Yes, that's correct. It's Jeopardy. Which program is good for family viewing? And remember, not all programs are suited for family viewing. So which one is suited, which one is good for family viewing? Yes, very good. It's HOI. Which is a sports program? Which one is a sports program? Yes, Sasuke. Which program is from the US? Of course, the US meaning America, United States of America. Which program is from the US? Excellent. It's CSI. CSI. So this is the first program here, Jeopardy, Tuesday on 9:30 p.m. So let's listen to the article now, and then we will discuss it. Let's listen.
Jeopardy! Tuesday, 9:30 p.m. Jeopardy! Is a unique American quiz show that features trivia in history, literature, the arts, culture, science, sports, geography, wordplay, and more. The show is famous for its unusual answer and question format, which requires contestants to phrase their responses in question form, having been presented with clues. The first episode of the show was aired on March 30, 1964, and went through different stages, as a daytime series and a nighttime show. On September 10, 1984, Jeopardy! Returned as a daily series with Alex Trebek as host.
So Jeopardy is actually an informative show because it discusses, it has trivia in history, literature, the arts, culture, science, sports, geography, etc. So if you watch this this show, this program, maybe you will get some information that will benefit you because it talks about different things. History, learn about all things. Literature, learn maybe about poems or novels. Literature, the arts, the culture, science, sports. So you get different information from different places. So I think, to me, this is an excellent program. So facts, give me the correct word for the definition. This is a definition, and I want the term, the correct word from the article that is the same meaning as this definition, or the term for this definition. Facts about past events in history, culture, sports, etc. Facts about past events in history, culture, sports, etc. So it means that it has different things. Yes, of course, it's trivia. It's trivia. The next program is HOI. It airs Monday at 9 a.m. Let's listen to the article together.
HOI. Monday, 9 a.m. This morning show, recorded live in front of an audience, is broadcast in the United States, Central and South America, and parts of Europe. A team of hosts offers family-oriented entertainment. On today's program, the guest chef cooks up some Peruvian shrimp, and a prosperous businessman gives advice to members of the audience.
So here we're talking about the program HOI, which is interesting actually, from the United States, Central of Southern America, and parts of Europe. A team of hosts offers family-oriented entertainment, so different genres here. On today's program, the guest chef cooks up some Peruvian shrimp, and prosperous businessman gives advice to members of the audience. So this program seems interesting. It's different. You can see that it's different from the other programs. Also, it has cooking in it, which is interesting to me, maybe not to you. So that's why we have different opinions. So this is the HOI program. The next program here is the National Geographic Channel. Of course, as you can see the picture here, we know that National Geographic Channel is always talking about the nature and the environment and the wildlife, as you can see here in the picture. So it always has interesting topics, interesting programs, interesting series, movies. Anything that comes from the National Geographic is always interesting and also informative. It's important to enriching yourself with information about different cultures, different natures from the earth, from like Africa or Asia. So National Geographic can give you all of this. So National Geographic Channel, Thursday at 8 p.m. Let's listen to the article together.
National Geographic Channel. Thursday, 8 p.m. The National Geographic Channel is a television channel that features documentaries about science and technology, animals and nature, exploration and culture, produced by the National Geographic Society. It provides authentic and inspiring content for different age groups of viewers. The channel is dedicated to sharing factual knowledge and promoting genuine interest in our world, in an innovative and entertaining manner. National Geographic Channel was originally launched in the Middle East in 1998, followed by National Geographic Adventure in 2007, National Geographic Wild in 2008 and National Geographic Abu Dhabi in 2009. Today, it is available in 25 languages, in over 143 countries.
So here's an interesting line. He said that the channel this channel is dedicated to sharing factual knowledge and promoting genuine interest in our world in an innovative and entertaining manner, which means that the channel gives you information from all over the world, from different cultures, from different wildlife, in an entertaining way, so that you don't get bored, you enjoy your time watching this channel. Also, it has today, it is available in 25 languages in over 143 countries. Actually, this is amazing from them. So this is talking about the National Geographic Channel. Next is the CSI, which is a short form crime scene investigation. Of course, this is a well-known TV series, of course. CSI, Crime Scene Investigation. It comes at Thursday at 9 p.m. So let's listen together. And from the picture here, you know what the series is about, what's the idea, the main idea of the series. You can guess it also from the article. So let's listen together now.
CSI, Crime Scene Investigation. Thursday, 9 p.m. CSI is an American crime drama about a team of forensic scientists who investigate mysterious and unusual deaths. In tonight's episode, Grisham, Stokes, and Brown take on the puzzling case of a jogger killed in a park. At first the team suspects it is a strange accident. But they eventually discover that someone has been plotting a series of disturbing crimes.
So, as mentioned here, CSI is an American crime drama about a team of forensic scientists, the scientists that go to the crime scene and try to figure out how did the victim die, and try to act like detectives in a scientific way. Let's say that they try to figure out how and why did the victim die. So again, it's an American crime TV drama at the team of forensic scientists who they are investigating a mysterious and unusual deaths. That's why they are investigating, because the deaths are mysterious and unusual. And also here, as mentioned here, puzzling cases. They are always investigating puzzling cases. That's why you enjoy the show. When you see the show, that's why you enjoy it, because of the puzzles, of the way that they figure out who is the culprit, who is the victim, why did he do it, and etc. So it's always solving some puzzles. Top Gear, of course, this is a well-known program talking about, yes, of course, you can see here from the picture, or you can notice what are they talking about. They're talking about cars. So let's listen together to the article.
Top Gear. Wednesday, 9:30 p.m. Top Gear is an award-winning British television series about cars. It was originally launched as a conventional motoring magazine show. Since its relaunch in 2002, the new version has developed its own humorous style. The program is estimated to have about 350 million viewers worldwide. The show has received acclaim for its style and presentation as well as criticism for its content and some of the cutting comments made by presenters. It remains, however, one of the most popular motoring series worldwide.
Yes, and I agree with this. It's one of the most popular motoring series worldwide. If you are interested in cars, I advise you to watch this series because it's talking about different cars, sports cars, luxurious cars, and also they talk about cars in an interesting and also funny way. So this won't keep you bored. So again, give the correct word for this definition. The definition here, very unkind comment intended to wound the feelings of others. Very unkind comment, a comment that is not kind, intended to wound the feelings of others. So a comment that was intended to hurt the feelings of others. Yes, very good. Cutting comment. We call it cutting comment. That a comment that is intended to hurt the feelings of others. The last article here, Sasuke. From the name itself, you know that it's Japanese, also from the pictures. So let's listen to the article together.
Sasuke. Wednesday, 8 p.m. This popular Japanese sports entertainment program airs twice a year. Each 3-hour special covers an entire competition in which 100 fighters and athletes compete in one of the most challenging physical contests imaginable. The contestants attempt to complete 4 levels of increasingly difficult obstacle courses to win the title of Ninja Warrior.
So this program, there are contestants that they fight for the title, try to win the title of Ninja Warrior. Just when you read this, that the title is Ninja Warrior, it is enough to keep you interested and watch this program. Again, give the correct word for the definition. Try to do something. When you try to do something, what do we call it? Yes, excellent. Attempt. When you attempt, it means that you are trying to do something. Okay, here's the quick check. The first part, vocabulary. Complete the sentences with these words. We have 8 words here. Air, plot, broadcast, prosperous, contestants, puzzling, inspiring, and version. So let's continue. Let's fill these gaps with the correct words. Number 1, 2 words that mean to transmit to an audience by radio or television station. To transmit an audio to an audience by radio or television station. Are, to, and to. So we can choose 2 words here. Very good. To air and to broadcast. To air and to broadcast. Excellent. Number 2, to plan something secretly. To plan something secretly without anyone knowing what you're planning. What do we call it? Let's check the answer here. It's a plot. Yes, when you plan something secretly, we call it a plot. Number 3, someone who has had financial success is, when someone has had a financial success, what do we call it here? Very good. Prosperous. Number 4, something that causes a feeling of excitement and strong desire to do something important is. So what is this? What is this something that makes you exciting and you want you to do something important? Yes, inspiring. When you say this inspired me, it means that this thing that inspired you, that pushed you to do something that you liked. Number 5, people who take part in a contest are called, yes, this is an easy one, contestants. Number 6, something that is difficult to understand or solve. When something is difficult to solve, when a crime is difficult to solve, when something is difficult to understand, we call it, yes, puzzling. Puzzling. So now here, puzzling is an adjective. You describe something as puzzling. Number 7, the last one, a variation of an earlier or original thing is a variation, different. Variation means different. Of an earlier or original thing, an old or new thing, we call it, yes, as you said, a version, a new version or the old version. Number B here, comprehension, name the show or shows. So we'll be naming the shows. Which show has attracted both positive and negative comments from reviewers? Yes, Top Gear. It had positive and negative comments. Which show is broadcast in the morning? Which one was broadcast in the morning? Let's see together. Yes, Hoy. Which show airs twice a year? Only twice a year. Yes, very good. It's Sasuke. So don't miss it because it only airs twice a year. Which shows are available in more than 20 languages? Which shows are available in more than 20 languages? This is a very easy one, actually. Yes, of course, it's the National Geographic shows and documentary, more than 20 languages. Which show has aired for more than 40 years? Which show has aired for more than 40 years? Or maybe 50, maybe 60. Yes, that's correct. It's Jeopardy. Which show might be enjoyed by a person who likes murder mysteries? If you like murder mysteries, puzzling mysteries, puzzling crimes, which show is a suitable show for you? Yes, of course, it's CSI, crime investigation. Here's a language builder for you. English speakers often use the term soap opera to refer to programs similar to telenovelas. One difference between soap operas and the Latin American genre of the telenovela is that soap operas never end. This is an interesting information, that soap operas, they never end. The stories just evolve over the years. So soap operas never end. They just evolve over the years. And with that, we reach the end of this lesson. See you next lesson, inshallah. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم.